Uh, Good evening, everyone. Class NCERT class 12 ko class 12 की NCERT textbook की chapter number 10 wave optics to the over and example the over question do solve tonga hone sigo sise question se am question ina yamde simple to ba ko yamde fundamental of question ne question se ke ko manang na phajana gyan ta hot ngam tar ga di ko makha tar pa sidigi hena complicated of question sing hot pa dane sin so da mating bang ne confusion there question si question is ke no par ke ko question is monochromatic light of wavelength 589 nanometer is incident from air on a water surface. See, monochromatic light is light sunlight cumulative sunlight monochromatic light nati have the monochromatic light the wavelength namatangi light yagodamne sunlight the different 7 colors of 7 light hour 7 different colors of light hour ina moi tonga wavelength laidana adu monochromatic nate monochromatic single wavelength gi the single frequency ki light out like that the high was ki light to my wavelength say 589 nanometer ne se a the water the chang to ne see a there see a diagram see air when in white surface to see light green or see mediums in a water ne see surface the ma tare the incident rate later ko se incident rate later he might tab se point of incidence se see the ne ko imaginary line ama ching do ne dotted line ching is nang ko kinangi boundary do media ni do separate over boundary do adu the perpendicular way na the normalize ko I did 90 degree line the see jing hamar am like say normal se go nang ko incident rate mar angle do the angle of incidence small line denote or se the line see reflect surface thianga same air do dum bounce back to with reflection there aduga light rays kharamadi manung changi neba aduga bend down neba smai chumna law ba kitang bend down neba sina refraction ke kawai bending of light na refraction hai na sina ke kawai na refracted ray neba sigi ray sina reflected ray neba sina refracted ray neba ka smale अदे तादि मा क्वेश्चन आइसे रिफ्लेक्ट जिकिनंगी रिफ्लेक्टेड रे दो अदुगी वेवलेंथ फ्रीक्वेंसी अदे स्पीड पुथोबा अदुगा ना बी दना आइसना रिफ्रैक्टेड रे दो अदुगिसु वेवलेंथ फ्रीक्वेंसी अदे स्पीड से कैलकुलेट हो प्रोवाइडेड नॉन दोजिगी रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स पिरामिड को वाटर की रिफ्रैक्टिव इंडेक्स 1.33 इन पिरामिड या हाउ इज इट गो से वेवलेंथ हाइजे केनो को माना लाइट से कोइनो wave when treat to in light say wave ki property chele wave the magi wavelength have this mana house de horga say crest lere say trough lere ko crest amaga full crest ama full trough amaga see they see with distance in a wavelength amais see wavelength say 589 nanometer ne see suppose 589 nanometer sang hai ne the wavelength 589 nanometer lere ko de tar the see reflected the reflection the ne sida laiba wavelength kam to hong oi ba du wavelength light on chaki do ne wavelength jo hong de velocity jo kam to hong oi same medium chat panina the frequency jo hong de that means reflection ga refraction ka khena ke dena ko reflection de ne wave there is no change in the wavelength velocity and the frequency of light na medium the medium sa sagni ke no reflection de only one medium ka ne was second unit da ka laite medium de no sa sagni ne la maga dang long thenga bounce ta ge refraction and the two media ni the kala idana I didn't say rare medium or denser medium density man the medium ni the kala refraction to ke idara and the bending of light the man media ni the kala ko know the refraction this man media ni the kala never reflection the medium on the top phenomenon never the refraction the kamai tawi na usikinangi refracted ray do the kai hong malai magi frequency hong magi wavelength hong ever velocity hong ever to so smai sangam bo wavelength denser medium lagta the tensile ever yam kana dense da mon tensile kana ever adu da velocity ju handare ever wangam chaw yangam badi taptharak to ne adu frequency the change laite frequency the as it is line ever aduga angle laws of refraction ke hai angle of sigi say angle se normal siga incident ray gi marta leba angle of incidence ka angle of reflection se normal duga reflected lagi marta leba r do ani do mana ne refraction din angle of incidence ka angle of refraction si r se ani de mana ni have like ko mana be mana ni have like te aduga laws of reflection di angle of incidence ka angle of reflection adu mana ne se leba angle siga bravo mana ne ko similar. Next, the question is on the wavelength, but we have the wavelength pyramid can find 89 nanometer. Then draw reflected ray wavelength to find 89 nanometer. Refracted ray the kya oni kone what's the going makad hole. The frequency the sigi light sigi frequency hong the word sumana pyramid the vanina ma pin the wavelength khatane wavelength khatan pin frequency but to have on the frequency hole frequency hot kya the any waveform ki frequency ga velocity ga wavelength ka relation dai. Velocity of a wave is equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength my labor. And then see the frequency put the velocity the wavelength divided to frequency put light ki magi velocity the magi wavelength na divided the velocity the air ne khalas air ne harmon air the labor light ki velocity ga vacuum labor say man labor ko na v mo the c is the velocity of light in vacuum the question pa pui na 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second the wavelength pyramid find 89 nanometer have draw find 89 nano 10 to the power minus 9 ire bakta na badi is a aina line I said 5.8 find 89 is 5.89 lower bako 89 the masing picture na som na chocolate ani then 10 to the power minus 7 tare minus 7 mata ka then the power plus 7 tani 7 8 ka 7 ka plus so the 15 tare som the 3 by 5.89 of 6 years 3 by 60 half that approximately 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz any light ray magi wavelength find 89 nanometer hoita di magi frequency 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz hoine palite see frequency putoi ko c frequency putoi refracted ray dum c frequency dum wera ne bako abra see the frequency change tawda bani na same medium sum chap frequency change tawde different medium colors different change to dekho c frequency se second is one sata refracted ray frequency jo sidum ta ne reflected ray jo sidum sitare refracted ray jo sidum ta ne because there is no change in frequency when light gets refracted traveling from one medium to another medium aduna se refracted ray frequency jo sidum mo rani ko hola rodam ne last the velocity put was velocity di sidalai velocity sum lai can medium can change to de no sidala ma v do sidum there ni sidai v1 je koina c ma ne laure dana velocity of light in vacuum ma ne laure na adun oiser ne ko na sidai reflected ray velocity sidum speed of light in vacuum do ne that means 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second do ne na re ko next the second part of the question is gonna refraction towards refraction the nang khoi ka hi puto gra frequency di frequency change to sidum lai jarani na wavelength ga velocity adu kamai buto kani wavelength sida wavelength pyramid sida level manung level light se wavelength je handhara kani dikhange tensila kani khange do kya hoini di kamai do buto kani wave de leko mana keno refractive index pyramid do buto si buto pe ngai ngo ma sida hai se refractive index of water se pyramid 1.33 adu nang refractive index ki definition jana gyan ta ho any substance ami my refractive index have se kamai to khanga de ham da mo ne light ki velocity do kya hoi ge do adu hana calculate to ko nang se light ki velocity kya mo medium to the light ki velocity se kya la ye have si khang tar ba adi velocity of light in vacuum do da ki medium sang da kitang handani na adu handar go so velocity do divide to si ki ratio se adu ki nang medium do gi ne refractive index ko ne vacuum to that in the medium ratio see one unit ma do ne meter per second kathana garni that means refractive index any medium refractive index medium unit yaro unit less hoiba quantity hoima natra property hoine banang ki medium do gi mana ne refractive index 1.33 hai do 1.33 has a 4 by 3 one is na to 4 the 3 divided was a 1.333 da ne ko 4 by 3 have the c refractive index no c by v ne velocity of light in vacuum ratio velocity of light in vacuum to that in the medium. That means 4 by 3 as a c by v ne hai by the water the light ki velocity in vacuum se 4 in low tar ga di medium do ne kya water da kya ni 3 ne to kitang handrak dra the ratio do ne refractive index size ko si mun na gyan dang hono ko ina 1.33 si mahuta 4 by 3 ra ba सी कई हाई नो है मतलब velocity of light in vacuum na 4 ne khan baganda velocity of light in the medium height in water is 3 whenever the 4 or 3 or 100 ratio ra sigi ratio do bane refractive index and iris ano 1.33 be mota 4 by 3 is ko yare pare now sigi relationship sida yong ko sida nang sida in sida irum se sikai hani yong ko se light ki refractive index ki ano 1.33 ne glass ki ano 1.5 ne hengalak tara refractive index hengalis ke no si hengat ki haita di si constantly leng si positive leng lai doni makha gi positive si positive pick tharaba haidi velocity of light sum handaraba yani mega sum handaraba kenos da nang medium sida si pixely matic ko haidi tap thari matic nang ki medium de refracting is wang doi ne si chakala gana si handa doi ko ani inversely proportional ne ana refracting index of glass na water de ki hele se 1.33 or made 1.5 or is ke gino don tak padi hoji ki sida ne kenera is mon the glass the light ki velocity v do handaram ne hena handaram ne ba water the handabo di glass then hena handaram ne ba speed handarak podana refracting index se on kala ne glass na water the ki refracting index se hele is 1.5 or is 1.3 na tabi 1.5 or is arba पर सी रिलेशनशिप द सिदी कांस्टेंट सी से म n ga v ga se v khanga di n putok pe ani n khanga na v putok pe ani ko adu question is the refracted ray do ye ke putok ha ba magi frequency putok ha ni frequency I sorry velocity putok ha ni ba velocity change lag to ni ko c putok ke ha ke to tara c is the n divided to na adi velocity v2 putok ke tara di la the velocity of light in the vacuum do the magi refracting index of water do divided to ne CDC value 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second laser hai the refracting index of water do kya pe 1.33 to 4 by 3 ho ni rage 4 by 3 3 मतलब का करनी 9 ले रहे 9 by 4 दी 2.25 था रहे सी यार को से velocity of light in water phangye now ying asi ko ngasa kya war me velocity 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second or amdra e da lighting da water sang pa kya war 2.25 whatever that means 3 ro me 2.25 the handra adra 10 to the power 8 10 to the power 8 man ri na velocity kitang handare ntra that means rare medium de na denser medium chang panganda light ki velocity handai e de ki water chang panganda light velocity 3 or amado 2.25 or ambe kitang size na 4 or amado 3 or idana 3 or amado kya ora 2.25 or are ko unit ne kya hoy ni velocity in the meter per second le next wavelength kya hoy ni wavelength handani khangena wavelength handane the wavelength to kya di nang ki fundamental equation to kya velocity of a wave is equal to frequency multiplied by wavelength so the wavelength to kya di velocity the frequency divided to yani na velocity kya no velocity di is 2.25 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by frequency junga sai se puthok rena frequency change duration divided to ta ani ko smata holo se are sina tabi dana Snell's law no holo se ane Snell's law of refraction do no hot pe ane Snell's law na kai hare ge da sign of angle of incidence to sidane ko sila ba angle of incidence to sign of angle of refraction to ni si mana de na sa angle ni sa si ni ki ratio to kai mana ne ba refractive index of second medium the first and second partial second medium the water then ko water refractive index to air the refractive index na divide to si mana ne have si Snell's law ki magi mathematical form ni ko mana ke na ron the pyramid se ko ki angle of incidence ka angle of refraction ga medium ani do ko refraction tong medium ani change na first medium second medium first medium second chang to ni na ani do gi ratio do duga mane be n2 by n1 ji mane adu high portion akoina velocity rom itho jaina adi refractive index medium de velocity ka sumai lene na sida har ja refractive index ka medium velocity ka lene inversely wena bra inversely wena bani na n2 by n1 have ka ha na v1 by v2 la ani na ko velocity of the light in first medium to that of in the second medium the wavelength of frequency velocity ka mo frequency wavelength de mo directly one na for example c relation sida na frequency change to the target the change of the velocity wo angle velocity ka sigdi matak loi line na aduna directly one ne velocity angle ta di wavelength chau sang pa angle kani velocity handaraga na wavelength so tensile lakani pixel lakani ko aduna dum v1 by v2 equal to lambda 1 by lambda 2 er na smai er sidi putuk yani ngo sidi ngo sidan light ki velocity air layer sida air da sida water da wavelength of light in air wavelength of light in water sine point pa natra sine mata thanga si lambda 2 by lambda 1 equal to v2 by v1 irani ko sido pra on thona re equation se mata maka ona re That means the lambda 2 तो the lambda 1 सोम चक्रनी lambda 2 equal to v2 by v1 into lambda 1 लाए v2 दी क्या नो v2 velocity of light in water सी पुथोक रहे देना सीधा सीन्ट्रा 2.25 सी मोटर 9 by 4 इरे सिका 9 by 4 इरे into 10 to the power 8 meter per second divided by velocity of in v1 in air the velocity of light in air the pyramid 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second in vacuum हम लोग सीधा देना को the wavelength of the light in the air the 589 nanometer निको 10 to minus 9 ले रहे सीधा 10 to the power 8 सीधा कथन नगर है देखिए 3 3s are 9 3 3s are 9 3 था मैं देखिए 589 the 5.89 lower see the 10 to the power minus 9 see चारों में पिक 5.89 हार्क में ना पिक थरा उन्हें सी चौकोला नहीं 10 to the power minus 7 ला आनी 10 to the minus 7 लाए कौन सी ला रहे हैं ये में से 10 to the power minus 7 ले रहे हैं देखिए 5.89 है तो 6 ने हाजिर लसी ना ट्रा 6 3 18 था 18 divided 4 18 by 4 the 2 to the 4 2 9 18 9 by 2 the 4.5 था रहा 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 7 का देखिए मु 4.5 से देखिए कोई क्या कम बस ये 10 सी जे 10 to the minus 9 नम दोन थोड़े ने अदे तासी मशीन चौकोला नहीं ना 0. नहीं का कुमधरण डेसिमल नहीं कुमधरण नहीं 450 तारे ऐसे क्या 10 to the minus 9 तो 10 to the power minus 9 7 to minus 9 और नहीं 9 means nano तारे 450 nanometer वगैरह now wavelength के दौरे हूँ ना साइड wavelength क्या और मैं 589 और ब्रा डेंसिटी में चंगा wavelength क्या हो रहा है 450 और बा wavelength 10 से ला ब्रा velocity 100 है wavelength 10 से ले wavelength change तो एक और सीने ताइस मैं तो Snell's law देखिए सुनने मुझे कि wavelength तो calculate हो गया नहीं सुमाइना सी formula सीना दबे दा the frequency change later ko hadum ha sai medium lak panganda frequency change like there will be no change in frequency then sai ek mathak ta patoki frequency do 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz to adudum later never water the sang pakanso refracted ray frequency dum mujiki nangi 5 into 10 to the power 14 hertz to adudum oira never par gyan tarmaning khali gyan tak tragadi ko hango ta tragadi hango ko